Hello all, welcome to Code Crush Coding. So in this video we are going to learn about how to write to an existing file. So in the previous video we have learned how to open a file and how to read the content of file. So in this file we will see how to write to an existing file. So to write to an existing file you must add a parameter to the open function. So in the previous video we have learned the open function takes the two parameters. First one is the name of the file and second one is the mode. So to read a file we need to use the R mode, but when you need to write to an file you need to make use of any of these two modes. The first one is A, which stands for append. So it will append to the end of file. So whatever content will be present in the file it will append to the end of file. And the second mode is W, which stands for write. So it will overwrite the existing content. So it will not append but it will overwrite all the content of existing file and write the new content. So let's see in demo how we can make use of these two modes. So this is my filewrite.python file and here I have one text file and the content of this file is hello all, welcome to Code Crush Learning. So what I need to do, I need to add some more content in this file. So this is existing file already and it is located in the same location. So these two files are stored at same location. So first thing you need to do is open a file. So let's first create a variable file, then we will open. If the file is present in the same location you just need to specify the name of the file. If it is in different location you need to provide the entire path of that file. Now what I want to do, I want to add more content here. So I will make use of A. So it will append at the end of line and I need to specify here write file dot write. So what this write method will do, so write method will write to the existing file, and in the previous video we have learnt about the read method which was used to read the content of file. So as we need to write some content here we will make use of this write method and provide some content here. So let's say we say here file handling tutorial. So this content we want to be added in this file. So hello all, welcome to Code Crush Learning, and after that this content will be added, file handling tutorial. So let's close this file after adding the content, file.close. If I save this now and try to run this code, run. So see, there is no error, process finish with exit code 0. And if I try to check this file now, so you will see the content is added in this file, file handling tutorial. So in the code also you can read the file, as we have learned in the previous video how to read a file. You need to first open the file, open my text. So by default it will be in the read mode, so no need to specify the R mode here, and you can directly print file.read. So let's rerun the code. So see here you will be able to see the content of file. Now first time we have added this file handling tutorial, after that we have rerun the code, so again the file has added it to file handling tutorial. So as many times you will run this code, that many times the text will be appended. So if you check now, so you'll be able to see again the file handling tutorial is added to our file. So in this way append works. So it will append to the end of the file. So whatever content is already present it will append to that file. If we make use of the W mode, which is write, it will overwrite all the existing content. So let's see how it works. So this was all the existing content of the file. So now what I will do, instead of using, let me remove this read file part, instead of appending I will now write, means override all the content of the file, and I will say here Python learning. So what I will do now, I will open the file, open in W mode, so it will write the file and override the existing content, and we will write here Python learning. So when I will execute this code, all this content of the file will be overwritten, means this content will be deleted and only this content will be added, Python learning. So let me save this code and run now. So see, there is no error in the code, it got executed successfully. And if we check the file now, see, we are getting here only Python learning. All the earlier content has been removed. Another thing I want to show you in this code, let's say I have provided here my text.txt file. If I rename the file here, as this file is not present, so what it should do, it should give me an error because the file is not present. If I run this code now, so it's not giving error. What it has done instead, it has created a file. If I show you in the folder here, see, it's creating a file mytext1.txt and it has added the content here. So what is the use of this W mode? If the file is not present, it will create the file, it will not give you an error. But if I rename the file name here mytext2 and I provide here A is the append mode. So as this file is not present, my text2.txt file is not present here, and we are writing now here append mode, so it should give me an error because the file is not present. So it will not able to find the file because append mode do not overwrite the content, it will add to the existing file. So let me run this code now. So again the error is not there. If you see here, why error is not there? Because again the this file has created a new file here mytext and it has appended to the file. So what does the theory says here? We have seen all these modes here. Opens a file for appending, creates the file if does not exist. So append will also create the file if does not exist, and W opens a file for creating, create the file if does not exist, and create will also creates the specified file, return an error if the file exists. So that is the use of all these modes, they will create the file. So now this mytext2 is the existing file as we have created here, and if you try to create this file again, in that case you will get the error. So let me run the code. See, it says file exists, so this file is already existing, so it cannot be created. So that is the use of file handling, where you can make use of all these files to read. So creating a new file, to create a new file in Python, use the open method with the help of following parameters. So we have seen this all. With the help of append we can also create a new file. With the help of W write we can create a new file, and with the help of X also we can create a new file. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics of file handling in next video. Thank you for watching.